The front bumper of our MG7 comes with adhesive and special tape. First, apply the adhesive to the edges. At this point, make sure to pay attention when peeling off the adjacent tape. Be sure to follow the curved edges and cut it to match the shape. When applying the adhesive, make sure to leave a 1 to 2 mm gap from our product. It's important to note that if the adhesive is applied directly against the edge of the original car's front lip, there may be visible adhesive residue after installation. For the positioning, apply adhesive into sections on both sides and one section in the middle. Simply follow the adhesive placement shown in the video. If you're still not confident, you can add 3 screws to these 3 positions on the bottom shield for extra security. The side skirts do not require adhesive. Simply locate the pre-drilled holes according to the video and install the screws.